how to make the easiest paper airplane. But first, let me ask you a question. Would a paper airplane be able to fly on the moon? So the first thing we want to do is actually make a paper airplane today. But while I'm making the paper airplane, I'm going to start asking you questions about why paper airplanes fly in the first place. So let's learn a little bit while we're making the airplane. So think of air like water. Water is something, right? So is air something? If we start to think about air like water, then we begin to think that, maybe it is something that moves around. It flows. It moves from one place to the other. It can actually swirl. The particles within the air move around a lot. It's not nothing, in other words. It is something. And just like a fish swims through water, an airplane moves through the air. Just like a fish uses the water to move, an airplane uses the air to move. So now we're kind of coming back to the question, would an airplane fly on the moon where there is no air? The air on the moon, or the space on the moon where the air should be, is literally nothing. So could an airplane fly on the moon? If you would like 3 free projects delivered to your inbox every week, projects that actually teach kids something, just sign up at the link below. You'll get our free newsletter. It'll come to your inbox every week, give you some advice on how to do projects and how to do projects well so that they actually teach kids something. We'll see you next time.